So Ratangad is basically a easy trek, easy to moderate trek. There are no risky patches as such, but in monsoon it might get a bit slippery here and there. But apart from that, it's quite safe. But yeah, the trek is a bit lengthy, so endurance might be medium. So for Ratangad, the base village is either Ratanwadi or Samrad. Many trekkers generally prefer Ratangad because the village is quite beautiful and you also have a Amruteshwar Mandir. Ratangad, a 4,000 feet high fort which overlooks the entire Bhandardara region. This fort is roughly 185 kilometers and 190 kilometers away from Mumbai and Pune. This fort will give you some stunning views of Wilson Dam, Kalsubai, Azobagad and even Sandan Valley. Ratangad was also one of the strongest pillars of Maratha Empire in 16th century. So to reach Ratanwadi, there is only 1 or 2 buses from Akole, and the other option is you have to take a private jeep from Kasara or from your starting destination. So it's kind of a small waterfall where you can have fun and just look at the climate. Carrying a GoPro in monsoon is fine. When you are carrying a G7X, protecting it is quite a job. First 1.5 hours is a gradual hike on the plateaus, and after 90 minutes you enter the jungle, and it gets dense, and you'll find such foggy climate as well. And it's 11:30. We did take a few stops here and there, but we are yet to reach the topmost portion of the fort. But I think it's close. Within 15 minutes we should reach the top. Before reaching the top, you will find this set of 3 to 4 metallic ladders which are meant to make your final climb easy. This can be a bit tricky in monsoon. Even acrophobic people might find it a bit difficult to climb these ladders. But trust me guys, this is the second best experience you will have in this entire trek. The Nedhe, which is the pinhole, and also to the Dharwaza, from where we can go to Samrad. So after checking out Trimbak Darwaza, we headed towards the Nedhe. The wind here was mind-boggling, and we literally had to sit at times to keep our balance intact. This is the best experience you can get on the entire trip. So to conclude, Ratangad is one of the most favored treks in monsoon. But I'll say the best time to visit this fort is post-monsoon. That is the time when you get to see some jaw-dropping views. You can also stay at Ratangad as there are 3 to 4 caves which can easily accommodate 50 people. So guys, see you soon in the next episode with some another location and with some another trek.